Welcome to this tutorial on how to dynamically generate videos in Node.js with Cloudinary to deliver optimized custom videos right to your users. We'll go through creating a basic concatenation example, adding only a part of the video, and adding image to video. For the demo, I have created this simple React, Vite, and Tailwind CSS application that has a header and displays a video with a sea turtle. In this project, I use the framework-agnostic Cloudinary URL gen library, so the approach will be the same for all Node.js-based applications. In app.tsx file, there is code responsible for displaying the header and video element, while in the config directory and the Cloudinary.ts file, we are registering the connection between our application and Cloudinary using the Cloudinary URL gen library. Here, we only need to pass the cloud name to make the integration work seamlessly. Coming back to app.tsx file, we can see that the Cloudinary client is used to fetch the video source and used later in the video element, and more specifically, the source as myvideo.toURL. To concatenate one video to another to dynamically generate custom videos, we'll use the concept of overlay. In the Cloudinary console, there are already two videos, samples sea turtle and samples elephants. In this example, we will add the elephants video to the end of the sea turtle video. To add this overlay, the easiest approach would be to utilize the transformation string from object utility function from Cloudinary URL gen library. We will create a new transformation string from the object and we'll pass it to myvideo by calling the addTransformation method. Inside the array, we will pass a few objects that will be responsible for proper resizing of the videos to the same format, creating an actual overlay, and applying flags. Important note, as you can see in the overlay property, we passed video, samples, elephants. The video is mandatory to instruct that we will be adding the video overlay, but further there is samples, elephants. For the name of the specific file in the folder, we need to replace the slash with colon to make it work. Let's see what it looks like in the browser. The elephants video was indeed added to the end of the sea turtle video. To concatenate the second video at the start, we would need to set the offset of it like following. Now, the elephant video is displayed as the first element in this custom video. In more advanced scenarios, we might want to concatenate only part of the video or maybe add an image to the video. Let's take a look at how both can be achieved. To concatenate only part of the video, we would need to set the duration and start offset to calculate the 5 first seconds from the video. The first 5 seconds of the video with the elephants was indeed added to our custom video. In case of adding an image to the video, we would need to first resize both elements to the same size with the crop method of pad. Then add an overlay image with certain duration, and finally add a start offset to make the image appear at the start of the video. Indeed, the image was added at the start of our custom video. Let's review. You have learned how to dynamically generate videos in Node.js with Cloudinary to deliver optimized custom videos right to your users. Check out official Cloudinary documentation about video transformations for more details, and specifically this section to learn how to concatenate videos together.